Hi guys, now I'm showing write a Java program to display object class using the instance of keyboard. So watch it. I have a simple program for you have to easy to understand that, so I have write it. So watch it here. So here this is the program is here, and so now first I have to explain this program. So first here import space java.util.arraylist. So in the C and C++ we have used the header files, like in Java we have used the import files. So in the import file, the imported file first character must should be in capital. So we have to import the array list, and we have import space java.util.vector. So we have to import to vector and array list. So now watch it here, public class main. So here this is the main class, and here in the main class, every class name the first character must should be in capital. That's very important thing in Java. So Java is a case sensitive programming language, so you do not take a mistake, but the program has fallen all mistake or errors. So here this is the main function, that is the public static void main string args. So in that way, in the C and C++ you have to use this, that is as main or void main or int main. So that is in Java you have to use the public static void main string args. So now watch here, in that object space test object equal to new array list. So in that object we have to create a new array list, that is the display object class of test object. So this is a very important thing, that is the first we have to create the object space test object is equal to new array list and object display object class of test object. Now public static void display object class. So in that here this is the display object class. So now we have to use this function. So now object space 0. So now this is the in this we have to use the if else if statement. So in this condition you do not use many times, so that was very difficult to use it. So now if 0 space instance of vector. Now system.out.println. So this is a very important key. So in the C and C++ we have used the printf and scanf for printing and scanning the variables. So in the C++ we have used the system.out.println. So now object was the instance of the class java.util.arraylist. So here we have to print this. Now I have to print this. Now else. So in that here we have the object was instance of class java.util.vector. If else if o space instance of array list. So here this is the vector and this is the array list. In that we have to print the object space object was an instance of class java.util.arraylist. Now else system.out.println object was instance of the plus 0.get class. So here this is the program, and this is a very simple program, very important program. So this time I will save this file. Now I have to save this in some location, though here I have to save this. Now main.java, in there we have the class name and the file name are been saved same. So Java compiler compile with the class name and the file name are been saved. The Java compiler works, otherwise it doesn't works. Now I have to save this. So here the file is in there, that is the main.java. So in C and C++ we do not save the file, but it's compiled and executed, so that it doesn't work in Java. In Java you have to compile the file, that must be saved in your computer. So now here the file was saved. So this time I will compile this program. First open the command prompt. So this is the command prompt. So in that we have to get the D drive. So this D drive and go to the JJava folder. So I have to save that. Now JJava folder. So in that JJava folder we have to compile this file. So what's the code? That is a Java C. So now in that, so we have we have to type the words. So press tab here to get the main. So in this folder there is only one class, so there is no more other class. That after the compilation is completed and the dot class file has been created automatically. So now here Java C means the Java compiler. So Java compiler compile the Java file. Now click enter to start the compilation. So here the compilation is completed successfully. Here the main class file has been created automatically. So then there is no more errors at this program, and I have to ready to execute this program. Now type the code java space main. So what's the difference between the compilation and execution? So in the compilation we have to give the Java compiler main Java and the Java file name. So in that we have to print the only class name. So now click enter to watch the output. So here the execution will start. So was that object was an instance of the class java dot util dot array list. So here we have to get the array list object. So this is the program and we have to use the instance of keyword. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.